it's quiz time. Choose the correct answer. I have given 5. Choose the best answers. You try yourselves. Pause the video. Try yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come on, let's do it. Which unit is used to measure length? In order to measure length, which unit is required? See the options. Liter. What is the liter? Liter is the unit for what? Capacity. Okay, so it will not give you length, so wrong option. Meter, yes, it is the unit of length, so this is the right answer. किलोग्राम किसको मेजर करना? वेट को मेजर करने के लिए किलोग्राम यूज करते हैं. एंड मिनट टाइम को मेजर करने का. सो दीज ऑल 3 आर रॉन्ग ऑप्शंस एंड द राइट आंसर इज मीटर. 1 meter is equals to how much? 1 meter we have already discussed in our concept. 1 meter which is equal to 10 centimeters, wrong. 100 centimeters. You will have meter scale also. Okay, meter scale which will have 100 centimeters. Okay, 1000 centimeters is wrong and 1 centimeter is also wrong. What is the which unit is used to measure weight? वेट मेजर करने के लिए कौन सा यूनिट चाहिए? सेंटीमीटर. मीटर को, ये मीटर किसको? लेंथ का यूनिट. लीटर कैपेसिटी का. सो सेंटीमीटर इज रॉन्ग आंसर, लीटर इज रॉन्ग आंसर. किलोग्राम, दिस इज वेट मेजर करने का. आर इज फॉर टाइम, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग ऑप्शन. सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज सी. Okay. Now, which unit is used to measure capacity? Capacity means in terms of quantity. Liquid को capacity liquid को measure करेंगे. Liquid को measure करने के लिए इस measurement को क्या कहते हैं? Capacity कहते हैं. ग्राम, no. Liter is the right option. Meter, no. Second, no. Second is for time. And meter is for length and gram is for weight. So the correct option is liter. 1 kilogram is equals to how much? How many grams? 10 grams no, 100 grams no, it is 1000 grams. Okay, right. Now fill in the blanks. Right? You just try to answer 5 blanks you have in front of you. Try to answer yourself. Pause the video. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now 1 liter is equals to dash milliliters. See children, milli in the sense 1000 or milli in the sense 10 power minus 3, not 1000, 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 which is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3. Here we are going to apply one maths formula, that is, I think you are going to study this maths formula in your 6th class or 7th class maybe. We shall see now. That is indices. Laws of indices कहते हैं. Laws of indices. In that you will having a to the power of n is equals to 1 by a to the power of minus n, and a to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n. What is this a to the power of n? How you are going to get a to the power of n? See now, we shall see now. 10 is equals to can be written as 10 to the power of 1. 100 can be written as 1 followed by 2 zeros. So it can be written as 10 into 10. So that can be written as 10 to the power of 2. Right? 10 power 2. 2 tens we have, so to 10 power 2. 1 10 here, 10 power 1. Similarly, for 1000, what we can write? 10 into 10 into 10. So 3 tens, that can be written as 10 to the power of 3. So here milli means 1 by 1000. Milli is equals to, milli का मतलब क्या है? 1 divided by 1000. 1 divided by 1000 को we can write it as 10 power 1 by 10 to the power of 3. This is of the form 1 by a to the power of n. Okay, in your maths you are going to learn this. This is of the form 1 by, instead of a here we are having 10, instead of n you are having 3. इसको कैसा लिखा, a power minus n लिखा, so it can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3. So milliliter is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 3. So that can be written as, in two ways we can write. 1 liter is equals to 1 by 1000 milliliters, or it can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3 milliliters. You can write as of you like in both the things. 1 by 1000 we can write, or you can write 10 power minus 3. Both are right answer. 60 minutes is equals to how much? See, here we have clock here, that is in the clock 12. This is 12, 3, 9, 6. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. See our hand, if our hand is at 12, small one is our hand, small, and the bigger one is minute's hand. Okay, so 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 60 minutes means, suppose the minute hand is at 2 you think as 0. Okay, next one, in order to complete 1 hour from 2 to 3 5 minutes, 3 to 4 5 minutes, 4 to 5 5 minutes, 5 to 6 5 minutes, 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 and 5 minutes. So how many 5 minutes? 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 5 minutes. 12 into 5, which is equals to 60 minutes. So when the minute's hand is at one particular place, wherever it may be, if suppose it is at 2, it has to come again revolving 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 and 2. Where it is, it should come there itself after one rotation. Okay, then that one we call it as 60 minutes, which is equals to 1 hour. How many hours? 1 hour. 100 centimeters is equal to how much? 1 meter. We use measure milk in what? Measurement of milk is called capacity. Capacity means I have already explained with a jug and a glass how much amount of water it is going to be filled. In our videos it is there, right? You see that, go back and see that. So capacity, milk we measured in liters. Capacity is measured in liters. We measure the time in dash and dash. See, we measure the time in hours, minutes and seconds. Okay children, from now the questioning patterns will be go on changing. The patterns, number of questions will be increasing and number of styles will be increasing. At first we used to have only choose the best answers, right, before this video. Now fill in the blanks has come, true or false has come, likewise assertions and reasoning, likewise in depth we are going to go. Even we are going to solve number of problems in future classes. Okay, don't think friends it will be the light one. You are going to get the strength of the questioning will be increasing day by day, right? Okay, don't fear. Let us go for true or false. Take some few seconds, try yourself this one. Already you have learned this concept. Try yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, done. See now, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Is it right? Yes. If it is right, it is called right one. Yes is true. False means no, wrong. Okay, remember that. We measure water using kilogram. Kilogram is used to measure weights. Okay, but not water. Water is nothing but capacity. I mean in liters we are going to measure. Okay, so this is false. Of course you can measure water in kilogram even. Okay, but here in this case, up to your knowledge, it will be false. Forthcoming, okay, if you go on in higher classes or upper classes, we can measure water even in kilogram as well as liters. Okay, kilogram, if you put it in the bottle or some container, some vessel like that, you can measure the weight of the water. But actually, generally, water is a liquid, so it is the capacity of water we are going to measure. It is measured in what? Liters. It is measured in liters, so this is false up to now. Okay. A pencil length can be measured in centimeter, yes, it is true, because your pencil will be around this size or more than this. By using scale, centimeter scale, we can measure the length of the pencil. Right. Good. 1 hour is equals to 30 minutes. Is it correct? No. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay. Right. Weight of the rice bag can be measured in kilograms. Is it right? Yes, it is right. It is measured in kilograms. Hi children, I already told you the questioning pattern goes on changing when you come to higher studies, right? So this is one more type. Answer the following questions. Here he has given in the form of question. We should try to answer this. Okay. Here are the 5 questions. You just read carefully. I will give 5 seconds time. You pause it. How much time you require? You pause it and you try to write your own answer. Afterwards, I will write the answer here. You can check it. Okay. And you tell me afterwards how many answers you have written correctly. Okay. Read the answer carefully. It is very easy. Okay. It is not at all a problem if you have listened the classes correctly. If you have not listened the classes correctly, go back and once again listen the classes, then come and answer. Please children, try to answer yourselves these kind of questions. Then only you will get the knowledge. Remember that. Okay. Right. Try now. Pause it and try. Okay, right. I will try. We shall do this. Which instrument is used to measure length? लेंथ मेजर करने के लिए कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट चाहिए? ओके, इंस्ट्रूमेंट सी स्केल. Scale can be used, meter scale can be used, tape can be used. Okay, this is a tape. Cloths measure, cloths का length measure करने के लिए we are going to use tape. Meter scale, generally we are going to use this meter scale. Okay, and even scale, normal scale, 15 centimeters and 30 centimeter scale to measure the shortest lengths. Okay, you can use any one of these to measure the length according to the situation, right? Next one, which instrument is used to measure weight? Which one is required? Common. So we can use digital balance. Digital balance can be used, and common balance can also be used. तराजू, in English में तराजू बोलते हैं, right? तक्केड़ा, तराजू, that can be used. Even you can use one new term which is known as spring balance, that you will learn in future. This is also one of the thing which is used to measure weight. In your future classes you are going to learn this particular spring balance. Okay, write the two things that can be measured in liters. We should write the two things, not the unit here. Two quantities that can be two things that can be used in liters, measured in liters. Liters में क्या measure करते हैं? We can measure water in liters. You can measure milk in liters. You can measure kerosene in liters. And petrol, when you go to petrol bunk, okay, how many liters he will ask? You ask to fill for 5 liters. Even diesel, okay, so on. These are the things that can be measured, which are liquids. Generally, the liquids are measured in liters. Next, write the two things that can be measured in kilogram. If they ask you two things, there is no need to write only two things. You can write more than that if you know, right? Two things that can be measured in kilogram. In kilogram, see, vegetables we can measure, okay? Vegetables can be measured in kilograms. What else? Rice can be measured, wheat can be measured, so on. Groceries bolte hai. Okay, when you go to supermarket, almost all the things that which you are going to take, other than MRP, I mean soap, paste, like that. Other than that, all they will be, even in soap also, this much of grams they will note that. Okay, 50 grams of soap, 100 grams of soap. You take paste, soap, anything you take. In that, if you observe carefully, the some sort of weight is going to be weight is going to be written on that in your printed matter, right? So that object can be measured. Next one, what is the difference between centimeter and meter? What is the difference, you tell me? 1 centimeter is equals to, 100 centimeters is equals to 1 meter, right?